Hey guys, today was going to be a craft room day, but I got in here and I was like, nah, not feeling it. What I was trying to do was use this whole DVD direct thing machine and transfer the cassettes, and Bryn said no. She's like, that's not what we're doing today. We're doing this. We have 4 bags of books. We got rid of a bag from under the steps. We went through that stuff, kind of cleared it out, and now we've just filled like 2.5 bags of shoes. So we did that, and now we've got to deal with what's up here in the closet. So, you know what? I just threw a bunch of stuff in there the other day. It was in the laundry room, and it was loose. So let's just
no, mommy,
empty the bag.
No.
Empty the bag. This is the hat that I won when I got my hole-in-one.
It was?
Yep. That's what I won. Some people win cars. I win a hat. These little silly gloves we don't need.
No, those mean nothing.
And these can go.
Yeah, they're up my hand.
And then these are Daddy's North Face ones, so those are good. Okay.
Put it in here. The camera in the cup closet.
Oh, that's a good idea. Okay, we're gonna move you over to here.
Keep this back and throw it off. I'll wait till I get to my collection. This.
God, that's dead, isn't it? Is it dead? It looks dead.
I don't like it.
This drove me crazy. Do you guys get this with a winter coat? You get hair balls in the underarms, like your hair collects under there. That's disgusting. Check the pockets. Always check the pockets.
I'm getting the hair.
Okay. But here's the thing. It's a nice pea coat. That?
I don't like that.
Okay, that can go.
You can't dress like it's 2000 when, like.
But it's a nice pea coat. Or
You
is it?
haven't worn it.
Well,
Like
because
ever.
it's like.
Don't say it's summer, because you didn't wear it in winter either. Kerrigan, what? She has fur clothes down here. We'll have to get
Because I get rid of her closet.
We'll have to get this was better.
Can this winter's bag go? We'll just put the coats in here.
Yeah.
So many winter bags.
Are these Paramount clothes?
No.
Then why
Didn't one of you buy a bunch of wooden hangers?
Oh, okay.
Let me try.
No. Oh. that's where is this? Is that from like Costco?
Yes.
Don't buy Costco.
Annette had them and she said it
I
was
know,
good.
I'm sure she said it was great. This is scary.
No, but
Okay.
I bought it to... That's my jean jacket.
Okay. This.
Bermuda jacket, I like that. I wear that. It's my walking jacket. And the jackets don't all have to be
I know, but
zippered.
some do.
Oh my
What
god.
is this?
That's the liner for Daddy's jacket. I think we should take this stuff to the store today.
Yeah. I used to.
We'll just pull it all down.
No.
Bryn,
No.
pull it.
No.
Do it.
No.
Do it.
No.
Yank it down. That's a cute hat. I actually wore that in the
I
winter.
like it.
But the only thing is, it's actual animal.
It is?
Yeah.
How do you know?
It says on the tag.
think Grandma
It's
got
real fur.
Raccoon. Ew! Ew! Stop! No, 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 I don't.
Here's the thing. Have we ever
No,
used them?
they're all scary.
The only time we used them was in Bermuda. Remember Dave was wrapped up in one?
Yeah.
These were capes that we got at the store in
They're just so gross.
Halifax. But it's supposed to be, I don't know, I guess people would wear them. But we had them for when you sit out on the patio, and then you can be warm, and it's a blanket, but you can still function with your arms.
No. We haven't thought of that since like 4 years. We haven't thought of these.
No, they're good, but
like-
we'll never make friends.
No, take it off.
That, you know what? I started to get rid of that one. It's Billabong, eh?
Okay.
I started to get rid of it one time, and then I grabbed it back. But you know what? Do I need this in my life?
No.
I love how you just know with the Mickey stuff. God, this was the Target hat we all fought over who actually gets to have it. Oh dear.
You gonna use that?
I don't think so. It's cute. Oh, you know why? Because it was so soft. That's why I bought it.
Yeah, no. You gotta think of the.
If I need this purse anymore.
I don't know. Check to see if there's anything in it. You're like, you're not gonna wear it. Check this hat.
No, I'm not really a visor girl. I think I wore it for golf a few times, but. Oh, am I a visor girl? Huh?
Oh my
Smell
god.
of the island.
It's like bubblegum and like sunshine and like happy.
And there's a green one somewhere. That! I've been looking for that. Oh, those are all my Mishi bags.
Dude, this was great in Bermuda for, I don't know.
I did get a lot of use out of them.
Like, you used them, but have you thought about it since? I don't think you use them. Take it out of the bag. This is a good grocery bag. Oh, the chain.
It's a neat purse. It's a neat idea.
I know, but
what
7 years ago it was cute. Now it's like kind of scary.
Okay, let me show y'all. So it's this purse. Annette and I got them at Costco. It looks like this when it's plain. You get interchangeable handles, and then I will show you what you do with it. So you get all these different colors, and I'll show you this one because it's cool because it's Canada, and it's magnetic, so you stick the liner on the purse, and then that's your purse for the day. But you're going out tonight, and you want to have some floral fun, and you do this, and now it's a floral bag, and you didn't have to change anything that was in your purse. It's freaking brilliant, but yeah, I haven't used it in a while.
It's just so 2008.
Jeez, we kind of look like normal people now. So this is the pile of stuff that we're getting rid of so far. So there's books and bags and hats and shoes. So that's good. So now we're gonna take a few minutes and fold that and sort it and get it organized. Oh, this can go. All right, the hall closet is done. I've got that yellow bag. I'm still looking for the little green one, which is out in the garage. Those are Kerrigan's shoes we have to ask her about. And then we have our coats. Those are summer hats. Those are some bags, mostly Disney bags, and those are our hats and scarves. Done.